this Senator Pangilinan, I do not know why he keeps on winning an election. But he was once natalo. Ayaw ko lang kasi makipag-away sa taong yan kasi kaibigan ko. Pero ang ginawa niya, noon kasi sa batas, pagka below 9 ka, wala kang kasalanan talaga, baski anong gawin mo. Palo lang ng tatay pati mama mo. Pagka nagka 9 ka tapos 12 ka lang below, hindi ka 13, 12, dadalhin ka sa korte at tatanungin ka kung bakit gumawa ka ng masama. Ang ginawa ni Pangilinan, I'm so sad over the sordid history of our country. Pinasa niya yung Juvenile Offenders Act at binaba niya ang edad sa 15. Pagdating mo ng 15, wabaski anong gawin mo, patayin mo yung, magpatay ka dyan, maggalaw ka ng mga babae, whatever the crime, robbery with homicide, robbery with rape with homicide, kung anong kasalanan mo, pagdating ng nanay mo, ibigay ka, balik sa kanya. Isang araw lang. You know, it is good to copy legislations of developing country. That particular juvenile offender law was copied yung sa New York, pati sa Washington. Doon, pag nagkasala ang bata, hindi nire-release. Kung talagang pilyo, may mali siya, yan pagkain siguro, kung gutom, kung walang damit. Pero yung magbanaksak, manggalaw ng mga babae, kung ano ngayon, magnakaw, hindi yan sila nire-release. In accordance to the law of those countries from which he copied the legislation, they are sent to a correctional facility or halfway house. There, they are lectured on responsibility sa gobyerno mo. Then the sense of accountability sa ginawa mong masama. Kaya ikukulong ka doon at lecturean ka. Hindi kulungan yan. Correctional. I-correct ko lang. Correctional facility. Pagkatapos yan, erase yung record mo na parang wala kang ginawang masama pag nag-reform ka doon. The problem with Pangilinan, he was too in a hurry. Pinalusot niya yon. Kaya we produced about 15 years ago yan. We produced about 5-6 generations of people who committed crimes and released on the same day, irrespective of the gravity of the offense. Pagka magdating doon ang barangay captain o nanay, pinapakawalaan. So makita ninyo dyan sa EDSA pabalik-balik. And now na malaki na sila, we have produced people who are of criminal minds. And that is why it is hard to stop the drug problem now. The reason why there is so much criminality, I'll give you why. The reason why nobody respects the law anymore. It's because of that Pangilinan law. Generations of labas-pasok using these guys as couriers of Cebu. You cannot arrest them. 15 years old. They can be used and reused and utilized. Tapos labas-pasok sila. Lumaki sila ng psychological setup is that there is no law. Or if there's one, it does not have a bite.